In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add table of contents in OneNote. First, you will want to create a new page called Table of Contents. To do this, look for the area where your pages are listed on the side of the OneNote interface. You can usually find this on the left side of your screen. Right-click in that area and select the option to create a new page. Once you have the page created, click on it to open it. This new page will serve as your central hub, making it easier to navigate through your notes later. A well-organized table of contents saves you time when searching for specific information, ensuring you can access your notes quickly and efficiently. Next, find the page you want to add to your table of contents. This could be any page that contains essential information you want to reference frequently. Scroll through your pages to locate the specific one. It can be helpful to remember the title or the content of the page so you can find it easily. Take a moment to visualize where this page fits into your overall note structure. This step is crucial as it ensures you are linking to the right content, which will streamline your navigation later on. Once you have located the desired page, right-click the page title. A small menu will pop up displaying various options. Look for the option that says Copy Link to Page. This action creates a direct link to the page, making it much easier to return to it whenever you need to. By copying the link, you ensure that you won't have to search for the page again. This simple step enhances your efficiency and helps maintain an organized workspace. After copying the link, go back to your table of contents page. You can do this by navigating back through your pages or by simply clicking on the table of contents page in the sidebar. Once you return to this page, you should see a blank canvas ready for you to add your links. This step reinforces the structure of your notes and gives you a clear view of what you have documented. Now type the name of the page that you have just linked. Make sure to type it exactly as it appears on the original page. This will help you and anyone else who may be using your notes to recognize the content immediately. You might want to use a consistent formatting style for all your entries. This consistency aids in readability and ensures that your table of contents looks professional and organized. Next, paste the link next to it. You can do this by right-clicking in the area next to the page name and selecting the Paste option from the menu. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut for pasting, which is Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. Once you paste the link, you will see it appear next to the page name. This direct link allows for quick access, making it easy to jump to that specific page whenever you need it. By following these steps, you will have successfully created a functional table of contents in OneNote. This organizational tool is invaluable for keeping your notes accessible and manageable. With everything set up, you can enjoy a streamlined experience as you navigate through your notes. Your table of contents will not only enhance your productivity, but will also make your OneNote experience much more enjoyable. Remember, taking a bit of time to set up your table of contents now will save you a lot of effort in the future. Enjoy your organized workspace and happy note-taking.